back to the ball game. We're going to the second half. Official score 21-19. Number 88, fake, fadeaway shot, missed, rebound by Assumption. Pass to Salazar, handoff, Assumption to Salazar. Pass to Assumption, no good. Pass to number 88, half step. Oh, that's a traveling. Guerzon, basket for Guerzon. Fake. Wala. Rebound by Esomchi. Esomchi nagmamadali. Derecho. Too strong. Rebound again. Esomchi. Miss it. Rebound ng San Beda. Crossover. Wow, fake. A shot, no good. Rebound pa rin ng San Beda, block by Paras. Ay na, ang Lasal, Salazar. Guerzon, random shot, no good. Rebound by number 11. Number 88. Spin. Uy, kinaliw. Nakalusot ang San Beda. 23-21. Esomchi, sidestep. Uy. But there's a foul. Napagod na si Esomchi dito. Time remaining 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Sa ating third period. 2 shots for Sam Esomchi. Miss, rebound by Paras. Ayan na si Paras naman. Ang nakabawi. Put back. San Beda basketball. Number 24, maitatawid. Ayan na, number 13. Step back to short, rebound by Sam. Pass to Salazar, spin move. What a move. What a shot for Salazar. Time out. San Beda. Grabe ang pinapakita rin dito ni Salazar. Time remaining 6 minutes and 1 second. 27-21, 6-point lead for LaSalle Green Hills. back to the ball game. San Beda basketball. Oopsie. Same ball, last touch. Bola rito ng San Beda. Catch and shoot, miss, rebound by Paras. Tubote, sorry, that's Salazar. Esomchi, sidestep, using their height advantage. Napakalakas din si Esomchi John sa paint. Number 13. Naitawid. Setting on the screen. Number 13. Floater, miss, rebound ng San Beda. Finding open man. And easy 2 points. Para San Beda, 23-29. Corrections, 30-23. According sa ating official. Cross-court pass. Paras, miss, rebound. Nagagawan. Makakuha ng San Beda. Outlet pass, number 11. Basket for number 11. Salazar, handoff to Esomchi. Esomchi with a strong drive. Yes, sir. 32-25. Number 11 to number 13. Staring on the screen. Switch. Number 13. Pass to number 24. To number 88. To number 24. Top of the key. 4-3. Short. Nice save. Number 13. Floater. In and out. Rebound by Esomchi. Pass to Salazar. Setting on the play. Salazar to Garzon. Pass to Paras. Paras. Strong drive. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. 3 against 2. Pass to number 66. Uy! Nakalusot ang San Beda. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. Official score 32-27 with the time remaining 2 minutes and 54 seconds ng ating third quarter. Tagle. Oh, still number 6. 1-on-1. Number 6 all the way. Cacho. Pass to Tagle. To Bote. Bote with a double team. Out of bounds. Same ball. Substitution. Salazar coming in. Cross-court pass. Cacho. To Bote. Pass to Salazar. Salazar. Stop and pump. Short. Rebound. Makakuha. Bola rito ng San Beda. Last 2 minutes na lamang po natitira para sa ating third quarter. Number 6. Pass number 14. Number 14 to number 11. Uy. Offensive foul. Bote. Salazar. Paso simple. On a ball movement. Handoff. Cacho. Top of the key for 3. In and out. Rebound. Makuha ng San Beda. Handoff. Number 7 to number 10. Basket. Mabasa isang lamang ng ating Lasal Green Hills. Bote. Kalanatan. Salazar to Bote. Bote block. Uy, out of bound. Remaining time, last 25 seconds. Bote, pass to Guerzon from elbow. 3-point for Guerzon. Uy. Number 40, what an extra pass. Naka-recover ang San Beda. Number 7, kick out to number 29. Kick out ulit to number 14 from the corner. No good. Rebound. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Fisher score 35-31 in favor of our Lasal Green Hills. Okay. Lamang tayo ng 4. Nakidadako na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya mananalo sa laban ng Lasal Green Hills versus San Beda Alabang? Alright, fourth quarter. Salazar. Pass to Guerzon. Step back 3. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 14. Pinasa sa gitna. Floater. Miss. Rebound by Simple. Uy, yung matigan pang magawan. Number 6. Same ball. Lasal Green Hills basketball. Salazar. Naitawid ang bola. Uy! Salazar! Wala! Rebound! Oh, another steal! Oh! Wow, wow! For Salazar. Grabe ang aggressive ni Salazar dito. Finding oopsie, bola. (37-31) ang ating talan. Number 14. Serio on the screen. Pinasa sa corner. Gets the 3. Wala. Rebound. Makuha ng San Beda. Ayan na si Bote. Salazar naman ulit. Back-to-back basket for Salazar. 39-31. Number 14. Cross-court pass to number 6. At the middle. Too strong. Rebound. Makuha ni Bote. Pass to Guarzon. Guarzon. Uy! Halos sabay lang. Galing sa labas. Number 88. Oh, that's a throw. Traveling violation. Kalanatan, Guarzon, pass to Bote. Bote, sidestep, miss, rebound by number 18. Oh, sorry, that's 88. Naitawid ng San Beda. Setting on the play, number 88. Hop step, using the board and score. Salazar knocks it down. Number 88. Umatake, miss, rebound by Ivan Simple. Outed pass, Salazar. Spin. Uy, no good. Rebound by Kalanatan. Gets the foul. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Bote, top of the key for 3, no good. Rebound, Somchi with a strong drive. Yes, sir! Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. 43-33, 10-point lead. Biggest lead of the game ng LaSalle para sa labang ito. Ayan na, si number 13. Pass to number 24. To number 11 from elbow 3. Short. Rebound by Somchi. Pass to Salazar. Wait lang daw sabi ni Salazar. Salazar with the ball. Pass to Somchi from elbow 3. Too strong. Out of bounds. San Beda basketball. Pero napipindot, sorry. 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Number 13. The number 11. Pass number 66. Pinasa loob. Too strong. Number 88. Short. Rebound by LaSalle. Salazar using their contact and score. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon, but there's a basket. Time out. San Beda Alabang. Official score 45-33 in favor pa rin sa Lasal Green Hills. Time remaining 5 minutes and 10 seconds ng ating fourth period. To the ball game. Bola rito po ng San Beda. Number 13, France number 11, miss and gets the foul. Cross-court pass. Esomchi. Niubos na lang ang oras. Guarzon. Galanotan for 3. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 88 gets the traveling violation. Guarzon. Galanotan. Bote. Paras. Strong drive. No good. Ay na, wala pa rin. May foul. Uy. May komosyon pa lang nangyayari doon. Two shots for Sam. Paras. First shot is good. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Lixen Paras. Isa sa mga napaka-supportive parents yan from Lasal Green Hills. Shoutout po Ma'am Lixen. Second shot for Sam Pasaras, 2 for 2, 47-33. Meron na lamang tayong natitirang 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Timeout ba? Number 13. From elbow 3. For San Beda. Outlet pass. Oh, steal. ng San Beda. Oh, still by Galanatan. Guarzon to Galanatan. Salazar. Setting on the screen. Oh, what a nice behind the back. Salazar to Paras. Grabe ang highlights na yan, bro. Ayan na. Drop pass, kick out, fake. Stop and pump, short. Rebound by Galanatan. Pass to Bote. Bote. Pass to Galanatan. Salazar to Bote. Back to Salazar. To Galanatan. Drop pass. Paras. Fade away. Basket. Using the glass for Sam. 51-36. In favor pa rin sa Lasal Green Hills. Number 13 to number 6. 1 minute and 40. Boy, no good. Time remaining 1 minute and 37 seconds. Salazar. Salazar to Esomchi. Grabe ang layo nun, bro. Uy, no good. Outlet pass. Number 66. Pass number 13. Fade away shot. No good. Rebound by Esomchi. Salazar. Inuubos na lamang ang oras. Makitatawid ba? Nakitawid. Pass to Esomchi. Last 55 seconds. Esomchi. Kick out. Guarzon for 3. Short. Rebound by Galanatan. Uy, bad pass. Steal. Number 13. Ayun. Habol ni Paras. Number 36. Uy. No good. Naka-recover ang San Beda. Number 6. Pass to number 13. Basket. Ayun na, outlet pass. Esomchi waiting for his teammate. Last 22. 19. Sam natapikan. Ayun na, hinahabol. Fake. May konting hawi. Wala. Last 6 seconds. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Congratulations and nice game para sa San Beda Alabang, and congratulations to our Lasal Green Hills. Alright, a big win kontra sa San Beda. Our final score 51-38. Panalo po ang Lasal Green Hills. Okay, maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood at magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating next live. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Sa mga gusto pong manood ng replay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And maraming pong salamat and God bless everyone. And congrats Lasal. And to all the parents, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala at pagsuporta na ating live. Hanggang sa muli.